Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Tracy and I'm coming on really quickly live. I received my pre-order for the Stampin' Up annual catalogue, so I'm super excited. I received it this morning. Haven't had a chance to open it and I still haven't opened it yet. I thought I would pop on really quickly. Now I didn't create an event or let anyone know. I thought I'll just pop on, open the box up, show a few of the products, and if people pop on, fantastic. But I'll pop this over on my YouTube channel tomorrow as well, so if you missed the live you can watch the replay. But super exciting, we have some new products that as demonstrators that we can order from, so that's always lovely to see. And yeah, I thought I might share that with you. Now I will let you know this is not a huge order. It's not all the things that I want, obviously. You can't get everything that you want straight up, but with pre-orders what they do is you can only order a certain amount of products from the new catalogues. They choose which ones you can order from and you get to choose from that pre-order that all the things that you would like. Hi Ali, welcome. Good morning in England. I hope your weather's really good. We've been having some really cold weather, but today's been a beautiful day. We've had really autumn weather today, which was lovely. So I'm just going to quickly open up. As you pop on, please pop on and say hi. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know about the pre-order that I have here if you see something that you like. So as a demonstrator, you do get quite a few different perks for being a demonstrator, and one of them is that you get to order or pre-order from catalogues before anyone else, before customers. So that's always fantastic. The first thing is we're allowed to order catalogues, so annual catalogues, these ones here, but you're only allowed to order a box of 8. So if you're a customer of mine in the last 6 months, I will be sending these out probably very early next week. I've got a few things that I want to pop inside my catalogues, which I haven't had a chance to do yet, so I'll be sending those out in the mail. Here are the catalogues. These are so beautiful, really nice products inside. So if you're a customer, I'll be sending those out next week. So look for them in your mailbox soon. Hi Sylvia, welcome. Hopefully you've had a really great day. So like I was saying, there's not a real lot here. I did really want to do a bigger order, so I've just got the must-haves right now. Let me get rid of all that packaging. Okay, so mainly these are in colours for the New Year's, and which are 5 new in colours. Hi Betty, just discovered me from Southwest Victoria. Well, welcome Betty. I'm in Central Victoria, just outside of Bendigo. Okay, so the new in colours, really pretty. I have the Cardstock Packs, which these are a really great way to get a little bit of everything. They come, not sure if it's 4 or 5 sheets of each of the colours. You can get these in the colour families as well. 1, 2, so it looks like 4 sheets of all 5 colours. And I don't have the full colours down yet. Let me have a look. They're a little hard to remember sometimes. I'll get the ink pads out, that way I've got all the colours. So the dark green, which is really hard to see on camera or on a computer. This is called Evening Evergreen, and I'm gonna say that when I first saw it, I wasn't sure whether I'd like it, but it's really pretty. It's actually a nicer green. It sort of looks more black in the catalogue and on the computer screen, but obviously it depends on your settings. So I have the cardstock, I got an ink pad, let me have a look. The new stamping blends, and also a ribbon in that colour. So in each of the 5 colours, I did receive or did purchase all of those things that I've just shown you in each of the colours. This ribbon I want to show you because I'm wondering if it's quite as soft as it looks, because it looks super soft. Okay, so it's very much like our white, Whisper White ribbon that we had. You see that? in our couple of catalogues ago, I think it was. It's Open Weave Ribbon. So it comes in all 5 colours. That's super cute. Very nice. Now the one thing I didn't get was the Reinkers. So in each of the colours we have the ink pad, the Stampin' stamping blends, the ribbon and the cardstock. So that one is the Evening Evergreen. The next one that we have here is Polish Pink. I remember that one because it's actually one that I'm really excited for. I don't mind pinks. Blue is my favourite colour, but it's really easy to create cards with pinks. So we have that colour. So one of the things that I'll be sending out in my catalogues will be colour swatches of the new ink colours. This one here is called Soft Succulent, a really pretty blue, bluey green, sort of a little bit like mint macaron, but it will be great for that succulent set that we have. Hi Margaret, hi Pam. Okay, then we have a purpley mauve colour, and this one is called Fresh Freesia, and I think my lighting's really not helping with the colour. That might be a little bit more a decent colour that you can see. So that's really pretty. And then we have a nice, it's almost a yellowy orange, which is really pretty as well. And this one is called Pale Papaya. So, because it's almost dark here at the moment, my lighting's really throwing off the colours, so that makes it really hard. Hi Rose, welcome. Rose is from Newbridge, not very far away at all. Okay, so let me show you, this might be a little bit easier with the ink pads. So I have each of the ink pads. And now the great thing is with our ink colours, you can purchase all 5 in a bundle and you save yourself quite a bit of money. That's the Pale Papaya. There we go. By purchasing all into a pack, I think they're $11.50. Normally they're $13 each. So if you buy them individually, they'll be $13. As a pack of 5, I think they're $11.50 each. So great saving by purchasing them all together. So we have the polished pink ribbon, got to get these names, Fresh Freesia. I'll never remember that, that's a terrible name. The Soft Succulent and Pale Papaya. Nice, and I've got, so every 5 of these in colours have a stamping blends that goes with the colour, so that's really great. Normally they'll only have some of the colours, they don't usually always have all. I did get 2 packs of the multi-pack, so the 4 sheets of each colour. Just going to pop this box down. Got a couple more things. I have the Stampin' Right markers in all of the colours. And then we have embellishments, which are in colour jewels in all the in colours. So I've really focused on the in colours at the moment. These are really pretty. So you have like medium and small. So really nice. But because they come in the blends, you could also colour your pearls or your rhinestones as well and create your own embellishments. And I also received the in colour DSP pack. So I think there's 40 sheets. Let me read it. Yeah, 40 sheets. So they come in all 5 colours. There is 4 designs. So you have that one there, the opposite side checks. That's a really great design. I like that one. And that one's really pretty as well. And they come in all of the 5 colours. Very, very pretty. So I think pretty much all these would work together really well, especially the lighter colours. As you can see, they all work together really well. And this one here is going to be fantastic at Christmas time. To me, this is a real Christmas green. great designs. So you can purchase these in all the colour families as well, the both sets of in colours as well as all the colour families, neutrals, subtles, regals and brights. So fantastic. Okay, so that was my little haul, which was pretty much all of the in colour stuff that I could grab. So, oh actually hang on, I know there's one more thing. Here they are. So also in the catalogue there are gift bags, and they're ombre gift bags, and these are also in the in colours. And they're ombre. Super sweet. Can fit a little embellishment pack in there or a little treat. And in these ones here, pack of 20. Let me just bring all the colours in. So I'm going to have fun with these ones. I think these are going to be a lot of fun to create a few little gift elements for people. Okay, so I just want to pop on really quickly just to show you my little mini haul. We are able to purchase from the catalogue on the 5th of May, so next month, and I'm super excited because there is a huge list that I want to purchase from, so you can come back when I have that one as well. Alright everyone, have a wonderful night, and yeah, I'm going to pack this away and put it away so I've got it in my area all ready to go. Alright everyone, have a wonderful night. See you later.